We have here a kids cooking set. It's super cute box, so it's gonna be great to gift to somebody. It's made really well and really fun. The color combination is really colorful. There's so many different colors. They're nice and vibrant. They're gonna be really fun for kids to work with, and it's really pretty as well. These knives are not sharp. They're not gonna hurt your child, so these are perfect knives for your kids to practice with. These are really fun. They can punch any fruit or veggies. They push it in, and then you can use this to pop it out really easily, and then you'll have some cute, fun designs. Once you punch it out, you can see the cute shapes. We got a little bear, little bunny head, a fish, and even the part you punched out is really cute, so you can even have this part as a fun little food item. We have here a fun sandwich press. You can see it has two pieces, so it's gonna make it easy to clean. When you do press it, you're gonna wanna do both of them at the same time, so one will cut, the other's gonna seal the bread together. So I put the peanut butter and some honey right in the middle. You put whatever you want right in the middle. Put the other piece of bread right on top. Then you're gonna just center it wherever you feel like works, and then you're gonna press it all the way down until it goes all the way through, and then we'll take it off. Now that we got it punched, now we can peel away the excess on the outside, and then we can take this off, and you can see how super cute that is, and be so fun for any child to eat.
That is so cute. I want to eat it right now.
Now we have these cute little food pigs that we can use to poke the food that we just poked through and made fun shapes, and we can use these to eat with. This kids cooking set is a lot of fun. It has so many fun things that will be great for kids to practice with, make lots of fun food with them, great with fruits and vegetables, and great for little sandwich making. Did you have fun using this?
Yes, I did.
She had a lot of fun, so any kid's gonna have a blast learning to cut and make things with food. So much fun, so I'd recommend it to anyone that has kids that wants to practice cutting with knives, cutting fruits and vegetables, and also be safe at the same time.